Hey guys, this is Cory with Fun Town RV of Amarillo, and today we are going to take a look at one of the most popular destination trailers on the market. This is the 2025 Forest River Salem Grand Villa Model 44 View. We're going to do an interior and exterior walk-around video tour of this beautiful park model, but before we do, all of the specifications of this big park model will be down in the video description, as well as they'll pop up right here on the screen so you can check those at any time. Now we're going to do an interior and exterior walk around video tour of this amazing camper. I'll put a link for pricing in the video description below this video, and let's get started. Check this thing out. This trailer is just absolutely gorgeous. Now, since this is a new 2025 model of the 44 View, this has got all the new changes, the new updated decor interior and exterior, the new lightsaber beam lighting, all that new stuff that if you've been watching my videos on the normal Salem bumper pulls, this has got all that same stuff as well. So now right here, this is your main living area. So you have this nice big L-shaped sectional sofa. This will turn out into a nice big bed as well. Love the outlet placement there and there for all those devices that you need to charge. Plus you do have this ottoman. We'll take a look at the storage in that here in just a moment. You are going to have the pull down roller shades. Now these are powered. I'll show you where the controls for that are here in just a moment. Now if we sit right here, just take a look at all that window coverage. That is absolutely amazing. Now you are right across from the TV area that is on a televator, and then you have your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace down below as well. That'll really help take the chill out of the air. Right here is going to be your stereo system and a little bit of storage. Right there, that'll control your interior and exterior speakers, and it is a JBL soundbar. Now I do love this accent beam here to separate the living area from the kitchen. And one of the things they did this massive island with these bar stools down here. That way you don't have space taken up by a dinette. You still have plenty of room to sit down, play a game of Texas Hold'em or Uno, whatever you want to do, eat a meal. I love that. And it's all solid surface countertops everywhere, which is, again, really nice. Now, in here, you are going to have in-floor ducted heating. And that is the most efficient way to heat these coaches. Love that kind of Olympic ring style ceiling fixture there. That is just super cool. It's incredibly bright. It's the brightest light in here. Now, speaking of lights, we do have dimmable lighting as well, which is, again, a really neat feature. And then right here is going to be those controls for all those power shades. So you just hit this one button and you select which ones you want to go up or down. And that does operate the TV lift as well. Now this does have two 15,000 BTU air conditioners. You do have the dual AC runs, which is really going to help keep this trailer cool. You also have one of your thermostats here, your slide out and awning controls, lighting controls, accent lighting controls, water pump, awning lights, and your tankless on-demand water heater controls there as well. Let's see. Let's go back here and we'll actually take a look at the second loft back here as well. But before we do, check out that view. That's from the top of the stairs. That is just impressive. It is very impressive. Now coming up here, you have about a queen size bed. You do have TV hookups over there if you did want to add a small one. Plenty of room. Love that kind of headboard thing they've got going on right there as well. Got nice big drawers. right here as well. And even back here, this is solid surface countertops. Now you do have, again, these bamboo colored roller shades. Emergency exit. Hopefully you never have to use that, but it is there. And you do have the curtains here to close this off. Now, before we get to the kitchen area, we'll come back to that here in a minute. I do want to take a look at this other loft area. So coming back up here, you have two twin beds up here. So this is really cool. I do like that. Plenty of the room. You got those cubbies right there in the middle. Power outlets everywhere in this thing, and nice big windows there. One of those is going to be an emergency exit as well. But from the top of these stairs, that's the view you're greeted with. That is cool. I really do enjoy that. Plus you've got your spiral staircase here as well. All right, so let me get all this opened up. We'll take a look at the storage in here. So one of the things I really like is back in here, you do have a little hidden storage pocket under that counter. That's really nice. That's a new feature for 2025. Now, this is a massive pantry. This is super well built. Everything in here is kind of overbuilt since these are designed to be lived in. And then that just closes back like that. Now, starting up over here, you've got really good storage, and I like that it's set back, so if you've got some taller items, you can put those in there as well. Nice cabinetry over your dinette, not dinette, microwave. I don't know why I said that. Even this is set back a little bit too. Perfect spot for that coffee maker. Solid surface countertops. You've got some really nice storage there. Does this have the... Yes, it does have kind of your broiler pan drawer down there. Then you've got three big old drawers. This one is a little shallower. These bottom two are going to be a little bit deeper. Now, above here, you've got even more storage. So take a look at that. Nice big storage. That's kind of a reoccurring theme here. Now this does have the residential fridge. It's already getting cold because we are prepping this trailer as soon as I get this one recorded. And this one is going to have the built-in ice maker as well. Now, back underneath here, you've got plenty of room under there for a trash can. They go ahead and even give you one. You've got this massive sink with the cutting board cover, all these attachments. What's really neat is the way this works. So you can see in there, this has a waterfall function right there. You can select with the little knob. The brass colored knob is actually going to be your hot and cold. It is a pull down sprayer faucet. You got your little soap dispenser and your cup washer. So that is really cool. I do like that. Plus you do have the waterfall style countertops that are super popular in residential home design as well. Now right off the kitchen, you have your guest bathroom. So this is a half bath. So of course you have a nice mirror here, plenty of room here. This is going to be a fan, and this will kind of pop open there. Solid surface countertops, GFI protected outlet, plenty of storage space down there for some extra rolls of TP, and porcelain flush lever toilet. It's good that that actually closed, because if we flip this around, I have got plenty of elbow room, plenty of leg room right here, plenty of room on each side if you're a little bigger in the hips. And then you have a stainless steel sink with the nice big more residential style faucet. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom back here. So this is a step down. You do have a single basin sink. I love this. I like that they didn't try to cram two sinks in there. Nice big drawer. And then this will be, a spot for your sponges and stuff. Love this little ledge here. Plus, of course, you get to look at my goofy face again. Plus this, that is real modern too. I love that. It's super bright. GFI protected outlet. You got your hand towel ring. Of course, you got your light switch there. Window. This does have a pull down blackout shade. Got your linen cabinet right here. Exhaust fan right there as well. More linen cabinet space. Even down here, this is actually your breakers and fuses, and then they give you a couple of these wicker bins down in here as well, which is plenty of room. Now, back up in here, you're going to have your stackable washer and dryer. So that is a really cool feature. I do really enjoy that. You can technically get that without this, or you can get this without them, but personally, I would do it. Porcelain foot flush lever toilet. You've got heat and AC back in here. Flipping this around. Plenty of room on both sides of the toilet. And man, you've got all the leg room in the world. Now up here in the shower. This is a kind of a neat pattern they've got going on here. You have these spa style shower fixtures here. My only complaint is I am 6'2", and I have to kind of duck to get under this rain head here. Even if you tilt it all the way up, it just doesn't work for me. Now I've got plenty of headroom, flipping this around, got plenty of headroom here, but I think if they could have just raised this up as high as they could, I think that would be better. And you've got plenty of width, plenty of depth, plus you have the nice, Tri-Slide glass series, and a little seat to sit, to prop your leg up if you need to shave your legs or if you need to sit to bathe. I also really like these kind of swivel doors like this. I think that is so cool. All right. So I know I'm jumping around all over the place. I don't like to script these videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. Now, before we do, I love the fact that they utilize every little square inch of space. You've got these wicker baskets in here. Now, normally you'd be able to see out of these. Okay, we have our shipping cover. About that, I got a phone call. Every time I go to record, I get some sort of person calling me. Anyway, I guess that's just the industry I'm in. So what I was saying is we have our protective shipping covers still on. We don't take those off until it is at its final destination, whether that's you taking it home or, the transport company setting it up, whatever. We just want to make sure that your investment, because these are super expensive regardless of what you buy, we want to make sure that's protected. So we leave those on until the last minute. Now, back to the bedroom. You've got your king size bed. Now this is a tilt-a-bed. We've got it in the down position right now. You have household and USB outlets right here. You also have some on the other side. I'll show you where those are at here momentarily. Nice big storage up above, and that goes all the way across. And then over here you have some closet space. Another drawer. Fireplace in the bedroom, so that's basically an electric space heater. And then you have this massive closet space right here. Now, park models, they're not known for their storage, but this one is actually pretty good for what you get. Love this huge window coverage. Just imagine looking out at the mountains of Red River or Aspen or Breckenridge, Colorado. Man, this would be perfect to set up there. You also are going to have 4 of these nice big drawers. Plenty of storage here. Spot to mount a TV, since these are primarily destination campers, meaning that they're not going to be towed very much. That is fine with me. Plus, you are going to have some storage right there as well. So plenty of storage space in there. And again, this is a tilt-a-bed, so you can raise the head up if you like to sit up, watch TV, read a book, whatever you want to do. It's got the ability to do that. Another outlet over here, and I believe Now you've got more power outlets over here than just that. I can't remember where they put them. This also does have AC and heat in here as well. But that's going to wrap it up for the interior of the 44 View by Salem. Let's go ahead now. We'll do a quick walk around the outside. Park models are not very eventful on the exterior, but I'll show it to you anyway. All right, so we're back up here at the front of the Salem Grand Villa 44 View. Starting up here, you have your two 30-pound propane tanks, manual tongue jack, plus you have your battery and your battery disconnect back in there as well. Again, these are those protective shipping covers that these all come with. Right here, you got some power. Manual stabilizer jacks, because this is designed to, you know, set it and forget it, basically, to where you're not going to be towing and going with this all the time. Nice huge awning with LED light strips, and just again, check out those windows. Now, on these park models, they don't put the MORryde step above steps on here typically, because most people will put a deck up right next to this thing. So they do the old style folding steps. That way you can build right up and you don't have to take anything apart. You've got some more power and cable for an outside TV. Nice outside speakers. Again, those are JBL. And then this is a triple axle. So she's a big girl and is not designed to be half-ton towable. I shouldn't have to say that, but apparently I do. Here's your second entry door. This is going to be the black glass variety with the window right there. On the back here, you can see that you are prepped and ready for a Lippert on-the-go ladder. There's that vent that I was talking about in there. And then right here, you're going to have your cable and satellite hookups. Coming around over here, you've got your vent for your washer dryer, your 50 amp service, your tankless on-demand water heater controls. This is going to be some plumbing access, probably to the back of your shower. And then right down here, you have got your black tank flush and all of your dumps right there as well. Now this also might be, let's see if I've got the key for it. Oh, cool. This is actually a little bit of storage too. That's kind of nice. Plus also to the back side of your water heater. Again, massive slide. These do have slide toppers on it. This is going to be to the back side of your refrigerator. And then you are going to have, again, your dumps are back there. More stabilizer jacks. There's your low point drains. And then right up here, this is going to be your freshwater tank and fill and your city water connection. Plus, you do have some extra storage right here. So park models, again, are not known for their storage, but it does have a little bit. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2025 Forest River Salem Grand Villa 44 View. Again, if you're interested in this trailer, I'll have links to all the specifications as well as pricing and availability down in the video description below this video. And remember, at Fun Town RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around. And we hope to see you out here on our lot very soon. And we thank you very much for taking the time to watch another RVing with Cory YouTube video. We'll see you on the next one.